good morning everyone. By the way, I am Baby Jetananda, and now we're going to learn about addition and subtraction of decimal fraction. Okay, but first let us recall what is fraction. So fraction is represent a numerical value that expresses a part of a whole. First is we have similar fraction. So similar fraction or like fraction are fractions with the same denominator. So just like for example, we have 1 9, 2 9, 3 9, and 7 9. So as you can see in the example, it has the same denominator which is 9. Next is we have dissimilar fraction. So what is dissimilar fraction? Dissimilar fraction is dissimilar or unlike fraction are fraction with different denominator. So as you can see in the example, we have 1 second, 2 third, 3 fifth, 4 and 9. So as you can see, it has a different denominator. Alright. Okay, so take notes that we cannot add or subtract the decimal fraction directly. So for us to add or subtract the decimal fraction, here are some steps to follow. So first is multiply the denominator. Second is do the cross multiplication. Third is perform the operation. Fourth is copy the new denominator. And five is simplify the fraction if possible. So now let's solve this example. Okay, now so let's do the step 1. First is multiply the denominator. So our denominator here is we have 9 and 3, which is 9 times 3 equals to 27. So the second step is do the cross multiplication. So first, let's multiply the 5 times 3 equals to 15 and 9 times 1 equals to 9. So the third step is perform the operation. So since the equivalent of fraction is considered similar fraction, we can add now the numerator and copy the denominator. So for example is 15 plus 9 equals to 24, and the fourth step is copy the denominator, which is 27. And lastly, we need to simplify the fraction if possible. So for example, 24, need to get the fraction of 24 and 27. So for the fraction of 24 is 1, 12, 2, 8, and 3. And for the 27, we have 1, 9, and 3. So the common factor of 24 and 27 is 3. So now let's going to divide 24 and 27 by 3. So we have 24 divided by 3 equals to 8, and 27 divided by 3 is equals to 9. So therefore, the sum of 5 and 9 plus 1/3 equals to 24 over 27 or 8 over 9. Okay. Okay, so let's do another example. So we have a subtraction of decimal fraction. So now first, let's multiply the denominator. So our denominator here is 4 and 3. So 4 times 3 equals to 12. So the second step you should do is do the cross multiplication. So for example, 3 times 3 equals to 9 and 4 times 2 equals to 8. So in the third step, we should perform the operation. So 9 minus 8 equals 1. And the fourth step is we should copy the denominator, which is 12. So lastly, 5 is simply as the fraction if possible. So since 1/12 does not have the common factor, aside from 1, we can consider that 1/12 is simply a form of difference between 3/4 and second/3. So always remember that to add or subtract the different fraction, just follow the the following. So first is multiply the denominator. Second is do not cross multiplication. Do the cross multiplication. Third is perform the operation. And fourth, copy the new denominator. And five is simplify the fraction if possible. So now I hope you learned something from our lesson for today. That's all. Thank you.